If you're looking for a fifth wheel that checks all the boxes, comfort, style, capability, and just a little bit of swagger, then the Forest River Arctic Wolf should be on your radar. Built with both mid-profile and full-profile options, the rig doesn't just want to camp, it wants to command attention while doing it. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a long-haul road roamer, the Arctic Wolf brings enough features and functionality to make your campsite feel more like a private resort. Let's dive inside and see what makes this thing tick. Step through the main entry and you're immediately planted in the heart of the action, the kitchen and living area. While layouts vary between mid and full profile models, they all hit the same high notes when it comes to design and functionality. The farmhouse style sink is the first showstopper, a deep basin complete with a cup washer and a sleek spring spout pull-out sprayer that makes meal prep and cleanup feel almost enjoyable. Cabinet space is generous with full extension drawers and tons of overhead storage. Depending on the model, you're working with either a 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge or a massive 16 cubic foot residential fridge in full profile layouts, enough room to stock groceries for a week or host a serious snack party. Most models also come with a kitchen island or peninsula, offering bonus prep space, built-in trash can storage, and even a hidden drawer for the good snacks. Cooking? Yeah, you're covered with a 21-inch steel-grated 3-burner range with a glass cover that doubles as extra prep space and backsplash. Microwaves come standard too, with some models stepping it up with a residential 30-inch over-the-range unit for those of us who believe popcorn counts as dinner. Once you're fed, it's time to kick back, and the Arctic Wolf is ready for full-on relaxation. The living area boasts 6 foot 4 inches of headroom in the slide out, which means no more accidental forehead collisions. The Panovision windows give you a panoramic view of the outside world, while the super lumen lighting system adds adjustable brightness throughout the RV, including the kitchen, living room, and bathroom. There's even motion sensor floor lighting to guide your way during those middle of the night snack runs. Furniture options vary, but they're all comfy. You'll find theater seating, tri-fold sofas, and convertible booth dinettes in most models. Some layouts also feature floating dinette tables with drawers. The entertainment setup is front and center in most floor plans, with the option of a 40 or 50-inch LED TV on a swing arm, a built-in stereo system, and of course, a gorgeous 5,200 BTU electric fireplace. Keeping cool and warm is no issue either. Every Arctic Wolf includes a 15,000 BTU ducted AC system with quick cool and a 35,000 BTU furnace to make sure you can control your temperature perfectly. And there's even a central vac system to make cleanup an absolute breeze. Heading upstairs, the bathroom doesn't pull any punches. The floating staircase with safety handle gets you there, and once inside, it's hard not to appreciate the thoughtful layout. You'll get a Nautilus-style retractable splash-proof door on most models, paired with a Durafaucet handheld shower head, built-in shelving, and a skylight that offers just an extra bit of headroom and brings in some natural light. There's an on-demand tankless water heater, so you can go full rock ballad in the shower without running out of hot water. Yes, even if you're singing all of Bohemian Rhapsody. Add in an 81-gallon freshwater tank and you've got plenty of supply even when you're off-grid. The bathroom also includes a residential medicine cabinet, porcelain foot flush lever toilet, built-in storage caddies, and a space-saving sliding door, which is a rare bonus in any RV. Back in the bedroom, your options are going to depend on the layout. If your bed is in a slide out, you'll be snoozing away on a king. If not, then it's a queen, still with plenty of room to walk around. You've got USB and USB-C charging stations, reading lights, and bedside outlets, making it easy to plug in and zone out. There's also a shoe barn under the bed, because shoes everywhere is just not a vibe that anyone wants. And in the non-slide models, you'll find overhead cabinets, nightstand drawers, and a superstore bedroom closet with full-depth hanging space, shelves, and drawers. If you do have the bed slide, you'll also get a massive mirrored closet, secondary wardrobe with washer dryer prep, and a dresser with sliding storage top. Top it off with a 15K BTU AC unit and an electric fireplace, and this might just be the coziest room in the RV. All right, let's swing outside and check out what the Arctic Wolf has going on under the sky. Entry is made easy with quick release steps featuring an oversized landing paired with a lend-a-hand railing for extra stability. The G-Glass main entry door includes a window with shade prep so you can let in light or block it out as needed. Oversized power awnings, sometimes plural depending on the model, give you ample outdoor shade. Up front, the automatic leveling and stabilization system keeps everything firm and steady. The Superstore pass-through storage uses slam latch baggage doors with magnetic catches, and yes, there's even TV prep inside the pass-through. Further back, you'll find the leash latch, a small but wonderful nod to Arctic Wolf's namesake, keeping your pup safe while you cook dinner or sip something cold. Speaking of cold drinks and hot food, every model includes an LP Quick Connect, and select models feature an outdoor kitchen. Look underneath and you'll spot aluminum wheels with a blackout trim package, adding just a touch of rugged class. You've also got the on-the-go ladder prep, which is standard, though most units will already have a ladder installed. Near the ladder is the Cherokee home security system with multiple cameras mounted around the rig for added peace of mind. At the base of it all is a 2-inch towing receiver which lets you bring along gear like bikes, kayaks, or whatever else your next adventure demands. You'll also find a black tank flush system, outside shower, and the Juice Pack solar setup, which includes a 100-watt solar panel, 30-amp charger, and battery disconnect. If you need more juice, you can always upgrade to the 200-watt panel and go off-grid just a little longer. All right, let's talk build quality because let's be honest, right? Style doesn't mean much without substance. The roof is built with a wood super truss construction using 3/8-inch decking and topped with a PVC membrane that reflects heat and carries a lifetime warranty. The walls are laminated with block foam insulation, while the 5/8-inch tongue and groove floor decking ensures stability underfoot. Windows are thermal control reflective safety glass, and the front cap includes an oversized window in gel coat finish for both visibility and protection. Down below, the armored underbelly tank enclosure, 12-volt tank heating pads, and forced air heating keep your system safe in rougher weather. The utility compartment is also fully enclosed and heated as well. Okay, now let's talk towing. With models ranging from just over 29 to about 44 feet and dry weights starting at around 7,500 pounds and topping out at 12,000 pounds, it's critical to know that your truck can handle it. For mid-profile models up to about 10,000 pounds dry, a Ford F-150, Ram 1500, or Chevy Silverado 1500 will get the job done if properly equipped. For the bigger full-profile models, you're better off stepping up into the 3/4-ton range with trucks like the Ford F-250, Ram 2500, or Chevy 2500 HD being safer, smarter bets. Don't forget to factor in cargo, your camping gear, food, water. It adds up fast, and if you're unsure what your setup can handle, just stop into your local Camping World and they'll check your numbers, walk you through towing capacity, and maybe even show you the Arctic Wolf in person. Happy camping and happy shopping.